I'm Sharon and welcome to KG.
Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make another banchan or side dish using zucchini called 호박 나물. 호박 being the zucchini and 나물 being the seasoned vegetable. It's usually made stir-fried, but we're going to be air frying today. And this recipe is almost too simple, but like I said last week, simple doesn't mean underwhelming. So keep on watching and let's get started. Even simpler ingredients today. We'll need some zucchini. You could also use gray zucchini or a Korean one called 애호박, minced garlic, salt. I'm actually using Korean bamboo salt today. It's not as salty as table salt, so kosher salt would be a good equivalent. Then Korean soup soy sauce, 국간장, for added umami. It can be replaced by tamari, but if you don't want to add any soy sauce, you could just double the salt. Sesame oil and sesame seeds. And if you don't want to add any oil, you could add ground sesame seeds or tahini instead of the sesame oil. And the chili pepper is optional. And that's really it. Okay, we're gonna cut the zucchini into cubes. We'll need about 400 grams altogether, so 1.5 altogether. You could cut it however you like, but depending on its thickness, you will have to adjust the air frying time. So, about this big. Then we'll air fry these at 380 degrees for 8 to 10 minutes, not preheated. I'm going for 8 minutes to keep it a little crunchy. If you don't have an air fryer, you could bake it in the oven at 400 degrees for 15 minutes. Or you could also saute it on a stovetop with little or no oil, with no salt. So here we have our beautifully air-fried zucchini. We just need to add all the ingredients while the zucchini is still hot. So bamboo salt or kosher salt, minced garlic, 국간장 or Korean soup soy sauce, sesame oil. I'm also adding a little bit of chopped Thai chili for a nice added kick. If you're not into spice, omit it or add it at your own risk. And sesame seeds, a little bit of black pepper. And we just have to mix it. Mix it well, and that's it. Okay, our 호박 나물 is ready, and let's have a taste. 잘 먹겠습니다. You know, it doesn't have a strong taste, but it is well seasoned. A little kick from the chili pepper and the umami from the Korean soup soy sauce, 국간장, really elevate the taste, I feel. If you still don't have 국간장 at home, I don't know, guys. I really highly recommend picking it up at your local Korean grocery store and try making this at home. It really makes a difference. You know, this is probably the simplest recipe that I've shared so far, but remember that banchan doesn't have to be so complicated, or it doesn't have to be so heavily seasoned to make it tasty. So this is hobak namu. I hope you enjoyed my recipe today. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you again next time. Bye!